How to view your purchase history on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to view your purchase history on Temu. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Temu app on your device. Log into your account. At the bottom, tap Me tab at bottom center of the screen. Among this option, choose Your Orders. You will see your entire purchase history here. You can simply select or divide it into section, select all orders, and you will find all your orders. Also, when you tap Processing tab at top of the screen, you will see orders that are still being processed. Similarly, when you select Shipped, you need to simply see the order that have been shipped. Similarly, when you tap on the Delivered tab at top right corner, you will see orders you have received. And lastly, tap Returns to check all the orders a product you have returned. This is how you can easily view your purchase history on Temu. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.